Good morning student, welcome back after long summer vacation. Today we are going to start the chapter matter. In a previous lecture we have discussed about condensation, but in this lecture we'll talk about freezing. The process through which substance changes from liquid to solid on cooling, that is called freezing. Means we can make the ice from water by cooling only, and we know that, and you can see in this figure water is changing into the solid state, that is called ice. And what is the freezing point of water? Is that 0 degree Celsius. So here we will discuss about the freezing point. What is a freezing point? The temperature at which liquid start changing into the solid state, that is called freezing point. And here you can see the freezing point, the temperature at which liquid freezes, that is called freezing point. And already we have discussed the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius, or in Fahrenheit it is a 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is called freezing point, and every liquid has their own specific freezing point. Now we'll talk about sublimation. Sublimation is the process in which solid changes directly to the gases without going through the liquid state. If you have seen in puja, we used to burn camphor in aarti, and on heating camphor will directly change into the gaseous state. There is no intermediate liquid state. That's why this is called sublimation process, and camphor is known as sublimine substances. Now going to explain the sublimation process through a picture and a small practical. So see the image. A funnel is kept upside down, and in China dish ammonium chloride is there. Ammonium chloride is also sublimine substances, and on heating ammonium chloride start changing into the gaseous state, and it will move upward, and at the tip of the funnel there is a less temperature. Due to low temperature it will condense back to the solid state, and we can get the solid form of ammonium chloride. Now what is the sublimine substances? You can see examples are given. The substances which shows the sublimation process, that is called sublimine substances: dry ice, iodine crystal, naphthalene ball, and camphor. These are the examples of sublimine substances. You can see dry ice, the solid dry ice, it is a carbon dioxide, it is changing into the gaseous state. There is no any liquid state. Second one is that is called naphthalene ball. Second one is that iodine ball, and last one is that camphor, which we are using in our puja, in aarti thal. So these are called sublimine substances. Now I am going to show you some apparatus which are very common in a chemistry laboratory. We'll discuss about the name of equipment and apparatus. Welcome to virtual chemistry lab. So today I am going to make you know about some apparatus which are very essential for our common practical, like sublimation, distillation, filtration. Already we have discussed lots of apparatus, but we don't know the name of that particular apparatus. So today we will talk. So first I will take this apparatus. Its name is stand, and it is used to hold the funnel, beaker, burner. And this, what is this? We know this is called funnel, and funnel can be put over the stand like this. We know very well in the case of filtration process. This is called beaker, and they are found in different volume capacity, 250 ml, 100 ml. You can see 100 ml beaker, 500 ml. They have different volume capacity. This is called tripod stand, and this is called burner. So suppose, what is the use of tripod stand? So tripod stand is used as a stand to put the beaker, flask and china dish over the burner. And how we can use? Suppose I am going to light up the burner like this. I am using tripod stand in this way, and I am going to put the beaker over it. What will happen? It will burst. Why? Because of high temperatures. So we cannot use like this. Before the putting the beaker, we must take some water in beaker. So I can take beaker like this, and I'm going to take water in it. This is called water. What is the formula of water? H2O. I have taken the water in beaker, and then I am going to light up the burner, and I'm putting the tripod stand over it, and then beaker with water. Then it will not burst. Why? Because of heat capacity of the water. Water can absorb the heat, and also we can measure the temperature of water by the help of thermometer. You can see what is the temperature of water now, 32.8 degrees Celsius, and you can see temperature is rising. So let the heat the water. We'll talk about another equipment. This is called china dish. It is used to take chemicals, to heat and to conduct the many practical. This is called conical flask. Already we have used conical flask in the case of filtration process, and this is called round flat bottom flask, and they are also found in different volume capacity, 250 ml, 500 ml. Again I am going to measure the temperature of water, otherwise it will burst. What is the temperature of water? Is that 24.8 degrees Celsius. Let's heat the water, no matter. And now I am going to remove this. Let's wait for some time. You can see water vapor is coming out. So these are the equipment, and another equipment is that cork. Cork is used to seal the mouth of the flask and round bottom flask to collect the gas. And how we can collect the gas? Simple, by inserting the glass tube. Here I am taking the glass tube and inserting the one flask like this, and suppose we want to collect the water vapor in second flask, means the round flat bottom flask. So what we will do? Simple, we'll take the tube, insert in the conical flask, and then the other end must be inserted into the another flask, and just pack it with the cork. You can see cork is there, which seal the mouth of the apparatus, and then in this way we can collect the gas and water after the condensation, and this type of setup we have used in the case of simple distillation. So these are the equipment and apparatus which are essential for the simple experiment, and in your 7th class these are the main apparatus, we must know their name. So please note down the name of these apparatus, not in your copy, in your mind, so from next time you will not get confused. So now again I want to measure temperature of water. You can see temperature is falling down. Why? Because of low temperature. Now what is the temperature of water? Is that 29.06 degree Celsius. So in this way we can use the virtual laboratory. Also I have a lots of chemicals. You can see this is a liquid chemicals, this is a solid chemicals, all chemicals are there, and these are the gas, many gases are there. So we use the every chemicals and every liquid and solid in a chemical practical. So in next class we will conduct some simple practical. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, my dear student.